Praise the Lord, all of you. This is Lalit Kumar Thakur, one of the teacher of Mount Olivet Senior Secondary School. I am English first teacher of class 8th and 9th. Today, I will discuss about writing section. Before that, I want to tell you about your question paper. Your question paper will divided into 3 sections. Reading section 20 marks, writing section 30 marks, literature 30 marks, total 80 marks, and internal assessment 20 marks. Now come to the point. My today's topic is chapter 1, topic 1, article writing. What is article writing? An article is a piece of writing that develops an idea or expands a topic in a unified manner. It consists of a group of sentences describing a single topic. Writing an article is challenging task. It involves a high degree of creativity, knowledge of subject matter, and a strong vocabulary. The student is provided with a verbal or visual stimulus. The verbal stimulus may be either in the form of a newspaper report or a newspaper clipping. The visual stimulus could be in the form of a diagram, picture, graph, map, cartoon, or flowchart. It could also be in the form of a pamphlet, brochure. Now, features of an article. First, heading. Give an eye catching heading which conveys the control theme of the article. Second, byline. Give the name of the person by whom the article is written. Third, introduction. The opening paragraph must have mentioned what the article is about. Catch the reader's attention. Arouse interest in the reader. Limit and control what you intend to discuss in your article. Use clear and precise language. You can even give a quotation or definition. Fourth, develop a cause effect relationship. Use effect to support your argument. Use examples to supplement your views. Put your arguments in a clear, logical, and convincing way. Fifth, compare and contrast. Give views that are contrary to yours. Compare and justify why you consider your views to be better than others. Conclusion. Sum up all your ideas. Offer solution to improve the situation. Personal observation and forecast. Note. Take care to maintain the flow of thought. Use simple language. The sequence should be logical. Use a catchy sentence to begin the article. How can we write an article? The format should be strictly adhered to. Give a suitable title to the article with the writer's name under it. The article must have minimum 3 paragraphs, composed grammatically correct English. While writing about an existing problem, give examples, reasons of the problem, effect, possible solutions. Ideas must be original and logical arranged. Read the visual. Now, topic. If you will follow the instructions properly, then your article will be effective and impressive. Now, chapter 1, topic 2, diary writing. What is diary writing? A diary writing is a reflection of one's emotions, personality, and true feelings. It is generally written to free of oneself from the emotions that one does not usually share with others. A diary writing is for personal use and therefore involves the use of an informal tone. A diary is a record with discrete entries reporting on what has happened over the course of a day or a period. A diary may include a person's experience and thoughts or feelings, including comments on current events outside the diary writer's direct experience. Now, how to write a diary writing? Write the day and date on the top left hand corner of the page with time on the right hand side. Writing style must be personal and intimate. Addressing the diary as Dear Diary. Always observe the word limit. Draw a box around your diary writing. Format of diary writing has given you. If you will follow all instruction properly, as well as format of the article writing and diary writing, then you can write best article and diary writing. I hope you have understood everything. Stay home, be safe. Thank you.